Good morning. This is Jeff Weinstein of Weinstein Law, and I am coming to you in the raw, not professional videotape, as you can see. I say that because my wife thinks that I need to tell you that, so that you don't get upset that it's not a nice, slick production. But I'm just borrowing Jacob's MacBook, and we're talking to you about stories that we think you will find of interest, so that we can all learn how to prevent drunk driving. We see here a story that the Mankato mayor pled guilty to DWI, gets community service. Okay, so Mayor John Brady pled guilty to drunk driving charge this past Wednesday morning after his arrest in August. He'll pay fines totaling $500, serve 3 days of community service, so I guess 24 hours of community service, and he'll get 1 year of probation. It said that he had been drinking when he hit a car, then allegedly refused to stop. And police officers found an open bottle in his car. All right. Mayor Brady, you set the tone and you set the example of how citizens in the community that has elected you, how those citizens should act. And I'm sure you're sad and sorry that this has happened. And you got a great deal on your probation, as opposed to going to jail. But I sure hope that you take this lapse of judgment as an opportunity to share with the members of your community that you've learned a very valuable lesson, and that part of the remainder of your term, and if you're reelected the next term, will be spent with you educating young people about what a foolish mistake you have made. And hopefully you will set an example that is, okay, I made a mistake, but you don't have to, because you can learn from my mistake. And, it doesn't sound like anybody was hurt in this wreck, but it sure does sound like you caused some property damage. And I sure hope that you make all that right as well.